Okay, welcome again to Let's Talk Advanced Chemistry, Chemistry 2 with Pastor Dan. We're going to do 2 sets of practices here today. We're going to do the last practice and then a final practice, and then I'll have the answers for both of those. The first one is a little bit longer than the second one. The second one's only 1 page, the second one's 2 pages. First one's 2 pages, the second one's only 1 page. So let's look at the first practice here. So we've got them identified so you know what we're looking at. So we got limited reactant problems. What is the mass of lead 3 chloride generated when 215.88 grams of lead react with 30.400 liters of chlorine gas at STP. So we're doing linear reactant, we're doing both of those. Least one, remember molar volume, molar mass. Got 2 emission problems. We're going both ways. So the first one, I want to find the energy given the wavelength, and the wavelength there is 321.10 nanometers. And the second one, we're going to go backwards. I want to find the wavelength given the energy. Energy is 4.364 times 10 to the 19th joules. Gas laws. So the first one there, that's combined gas law. What is the volume at STP if at 27.45 degrees Celsius and 108.9 kilopascals? The volume is 45.225 liters. Remember, temperatures are in Kelvin. Number 2 there, that's going to be Graham's law, rate of diffusion, and we're doing molecular weights, nitrogen monoxide to sulfur monoxide. And number 6, that's Dalton's law. We're going to do the partial pressures. So that's volumes. Okay, so that's the first set. Pause it, write them down, screenshot, whatever you need to do. All right. And 3 more. Another gas law problems. That's going to be ideal gas law. And we have sulfur trioxide, 13.45 degrees Celsius, 114.9 kilopascals, and the volume is 348.99 milliliters. Then we have to convert that to liters. Solutions, I'm asking you to find the mass in grams of water. If you have 0.98755 molal silver nitrate outside the box, O3, remember, given a solute of 35.675 grams of solute. Then number 9, find the molarity of 18.225 grams of potassium chlorite outside the box. I mean, that's O2, 450.50 milliliters of solution. All right, so that's the first practice. And here's the second practice. It's only 1 page. Limited reactant, determine the mass of lead 3 oxide if we have 102 grams of lead and 20.885 liters of oxygen, STP. The next one, find the volume of 90.22. So combined gas law. We're doing diffusion again, and then partial pressure. Solutions, I'm asking for concentrations, and there's an emission problem. Alrighty. All right. Good. Okay, now the answers. Pause it. Get them done. First set. Here we go. So that's the answers for the first page. And the second page. And the answers to the second page. Second practice. Alrighty. So that's what we got. Hopefully not too bad. 2 practices. This will end our review. And so tomorrow, again, I'm not testing, giving you tests at all with these. There's no labs, just going material. Tomorrow we'll start thermochemistry. So hopefully not too bad. Take care. God bless. Bye.